Hi everybody, I'm Steve, owner of C&S Corvettes since 1974. I'm going to use this opportunity to introduce you to some of the other folks here at C&S, the people behind the scenes who make everything here happen. So follow me back to the shop. Okay, thanks for following me back here again today. Now I would like to introduce Blake. Blake has been with us for 4 or 5 years, and he is the #1 mechanic and tech under Ray. All he works on is Corvettes, as all of us do, just Corvettes, nothing else. Few years that he's been with us, again, he has come to know Corvettes inside and out. It's his capable hands with Ray's supervision that get these jobs done and keep you guys motoring. If we can help you with any of the parts we sell or locate any parts, shoot us an email and we'll help you as best we can. Thanks for joining us.